Alright, I stand corrected. We're not going to concentrate on Lagos, Nigeria, but rather on Ogun State, Nigeria. So Ogun State is a state like an hour away from Lagos, and it's a agricultural state where there's lots of different kinds of smallholder farmers where they raise different kinds of crops and livestock. So that's in the southern part of Nigeria. So before I start, I'd like to give thanks to the smallholder farmers and locals in Nigeria for clarifying and giving enlightenment on that Lagos is not a agricultural state. So we should shift our attention to a more uh, agriculture area where there's lots of smallholder farmers where we can help. So, since we decided to move our plan from Lagos to Ogun, we are now asking you, the locals and smallholder farmers in Nigeria, in Ogun State, because we need to know the different types of farmers in that area. So, as far as I know, there's lots of cassava farmers. So, most likely we'll start with them. But there's also maize farmers, rice farmers. There's even who have fruit bearing trees like cocoa. I'm not sure with the others. I'm not sure if you have palm oil there, coconut palm trees, and then there's livestock as well. So I'm sure I'm not from there, so I'm not really familiar, but kindly enlighten me on that part. But we will focus more on Ogun State because it's near the airport where we only spend a few days or probably more than a week. We don't know yet, but we don't have much time. That's the reason why we chose a place that is near our hotel so that we can really focus on the farmers as well as setting up the infrastructure and the project that we're going to do in Ogun. All right, so I'm happy to see people, farmers in Ogun, and let's talk on the social media platforms.